Hey! Shut up, you two. Good morning, guys. My name's Alex, and I live in a van with my girlfriend Marcella and our 2 dogs. And this is my daily vlog. And the dogs love Mad Saturday because they're getting all the Mad Saturday leftovers.
All you want is my hunger. All you need is my pain. Nothing in between, ever met you lost. When you were born there was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. If we met in a year or 2, would you set your eyes on me?
Memories from last year. If you haven't seen the video, I'll link it up in the corner here. Right now I've got to get the dishes done, but still no water, it's still frozen. So it's a kettle job.
Well, that was more awkward than expected. I think the drain is frozen as well, so now the sink is full of shit. Well, it's water, it's not shit, but you know, it's shitty water. Yeah. Time to do a bit more solo up now from Carrefour. And then, well, I need to edit yesterday's vlog still. And get some food, man, get some food. You drive out of here without locking the cupboards, you know about it. Spices everywhere. There's this. Who is it? Let's see what we got then. Let's see the Shally swag.
Abajo, come on, abajo. The swag bag.
More beers for dry January, great, yeah.
No, they're ready for like big lash out on, you know, Tuesday.
On February the 1st.
It's olive oil.
Oh, nice.
Got jammy jam.
Lovely.
Got co-op muesli.
Oh. Co-op's British, right?
It is.
So they must have brought it with them.
Yeah. I've got full coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Which is good because you run out. I've got omeprazole for you.
Whoa, omeprazole? No way.
A shampoo, a conditioner.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Oh yeah, good. High five. Good Rob.
And a tip.
Oh, pretty light. We're going to the Indian, but I think Josh is going to be there as well, maybe. If he manages to get there in time. I've had an Indian here last year, and it wasn't very good to be honest, so I'm willing to give it a go again though, you know. And I've got a second judge here. Any place I seem to be in these days, I've always got a laptop with me, uploading. Have you decided what you're having?
I'm gonna make it like a tapas meal, so I'm gonna create my own meal out of the sides, as you do.
Ah, good idea.
Aloo gobi, chana masala, and this is dal without the butter, and standard garlic and coriander.
Thank you very much. I need to remind you about something. See this drive to Japan thing? Yeah. You're into it?
Drive to Japan.
Yeah. Would you be up for that?
Yeah, if I can pick the up.
Indian spice leaf, special Indian spice leaves. Like, let's pull it off that their rack and stuck it in their curry.
The Indians had its second chance, and I don't like to moan about food, but
He doesn't like it.
It's no good. Like it doesn't.
I just wanted him to like it. Nobody fucking like it for me. Fuck sure.
Hello, Russ.
Hello. Look at that swag bag.
Good. What you got there?
Swag bag.
Yeah. Oh, you just started work there.
I just finished.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
¿Y buenos chicos, Zeus? Oh, she went to grab his, you know. Signing the vlog off. Good night. Good night. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.